Very good morning to all our listeners. Taking a look then at some of the key events which had happened this morning ahead of the North American Open. Starting off firstly with UK economic data and the CPI reports. The year-on-year number came in at 3%, which was 0.1 lower than expected and a fairly significant fall from the prior reading of 3.5. We did see some aggressive selling in sterling in the currency markets on the back of that number, and cable took another move to the downside following a dovish report coming out of the IMF. This is with Chancellor in the UK, George Osborne, meeting with the head, Christine Lagarde of the IMF this morning. The IMF said in their latest report that the UK should be looking to ease monetary policy further and that they could cut the key interest rate from the current levels of 0.5%. As such then, gilts have also outperformed somewhat the performance in Bund futures, which generally have remained lower for the best part of the session, giving some further tightening in the 10-year government bond yield spreads, particularly nice at Italy and Spain, with some domestic buying in Italy accounting for a lot of the bid tone we saw in shorter dated bonds this morning. Another comment of particular note did come out of sources on the Greek situation, suggested that 18 billion euros will be released to Greece in order to recapitalise its banks. It did see a move in the market, equities moved higher, as too did the euro on the release of the headline. However, this is pretty much in fitting with their schedule and those moves have been paired somewhat. Elsewhere, another significant event was that of the general weakness we've observed in the Japanese yen, dollar yen trading up around 40 pips at the moment. This has come predominantly on the back of a surprise announcement out of Fitch rating agency, who have downgraded by one notch the Japanese sovereign rating to A+ outlook negative. Looking forward in terms of the major data coming out of the US, that will be existing home sales, also Eurozone consumer confidence due this afternoon. But that pretty much wraps up today's events so far, so wish you all a great trading day.